Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a new tool, the Makita cordless blower, the DUB185Z, which I purchased on Amazon. You're probably wondering, why do I need a blower? What's the purpose? It's not to blow leaves, if that's what you're thinking. It's to blow dry the car. Not fully dry, just to blow water out of the cracks after I wash it. The reason being is after I wash it, a lot of times, well, all the time, water gets trapped behind, like, I guess, the cracks of the taillight, the crack of the window, the rear window, crack of the blinkers. All those areas have like spots where water can just sit there until it gets blown out. So after you wash your car and it's all nice and clean, you've dried it, then I go for a nice drive. A lot of times the water starts to come out of those cracks and then it dries onto the paint, leaving this drip mark. And it's kind of ugly. So what I've been doing is I've used my air compressor and lugging the hose around and just blowing out all the cracks, but it's a lot of work to set up the air compressor and just to do that. So I'm testing out a cordless blower to see if that's any better. So in today's video, we're just going to be unboxing this and seeing how well this performs. So let's start by cutting open the box. It's all completely sealed. I haven't opened this. I'm opening this for the first time. So it came pretty quickly, but I just haven't had a chance to actually open it. So let's cut this open. It is very well packaged. All right, that is open. So what I find inside here is obviously the manual. The reason why I picked Makita is because I have a lot of various Makita tools. So it is very interchangeable with the battery, right? It's just a standard LXT battery. So I could just pop in one of my batteries and it will work. And that's the benefit of having similar tools. It comes with, I guess, a diagram of all their tools, a warranty information sheet, and I guess the instruction pamphlet. Or the instruction booklet. But this is what we're really after. Wow, it's okay. So this thing is made of solid rubber, it feels like. And this thing is nice and small and really nice handheld. This also double backs as a vacuum. I think all you do is put this over here and put a vacuum bag here, and it will suck all of the dust and put it into the vacuum bag. However, we're not going to be using it in that kind of sense. We're just essentially using it as a blower, which this blower piece, which is solid rubber, it feels, will just hook onto here. I guess you twist it. Yeah, you do. And that will lock it in place, so it's not going anywhere. And then now we're ready to start blowing. So I'm going to hook up one of my batteries on here, and we'll see how well this thing blows. See, my standard 3 amp battery just fits just like that. This thing comes with, I guess, 3 speeds, and the speeds you could change on either side, it looks like. Yeah, so it is a toggle switch. So right now this is speed number 1. Nice and slow. Speed 2. More powerful. And obviously I think we're going to be using speed 3 the most. Oh yeah. It's a little noisy, but this thing definitely has a little bit of a punch to it, so it blows pretty well. You can hear that? You can hear that against the car, so this thing will actually blow the water out of all the cracks and crevices after I wash my car. So we will get to washing the car, and then we're going to test out blowing this, and I'll show you guys how well this thing works for just blowing water out of the cracks. But so far, I'm pretty impressed with it. I like how small it is and how it's able to push so much air out of such a small little unit. And it's perfect because I have all the batteries that I could use to switch over on the air, and I don't have to buy any extra batteries. So you do have to realize that this just comes with the tool. It costs, I think, $99.99 Canadian. It doesn't come with a battery or anything or a charger, so you have to buy that separately. So that's the only flaw about it, but I think it's still very affordable, and Makita is a well-trusted brand. I really do like Makita tools. They're probably not as powerful as Milwaukee, but I still prefer Makita tools for a lot of stuff. Milwaukee's great for power, and I think they're quite reliable as well, but I don't have any Milwaukee tools. I would love to get some, but Makita is what I've been using. So we'll get to washing the car, and then I'll show you guys how this works for blowing it dry. Alright guys, so we finished washing the car. We use this to blow all the water out of the cracks. I would say this tool is fantastic. I really enjoy blowing it out. It worked great. This is also rubber, nice and rubber flexible, so if you do accidentally hit your car, it's not going to make any damage or anything because it's nice, soft rubber. I guess it's solid when you put it on here, but it's a nice soft rubber. It's flexible. I think this thing is built very good quality. It feels nice. something that's expected from Makita. So I think this tool is a really good tool. If you guys are interested, Amazon has these tools. It's cheap, $99.99 Canadian, probably even cheaper in the US. All you have to do is make sure you have the right battery for it. It didn't even use that much power. I'm down to maybe half, and this battery wasn't even full to begin with. So I think this is a really good tool. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.